Well, very good evening, students. So, yesterday we have had a good long discussion on introduction to accounting. So, I hope many of you have gone through. So, today we will have a quick revision of the chapter so that students can have a single pager view of the whole discussion that we have had. So, we touched upon definition of accounting, wherein we have seen what exactly accounting is, which starts from recording, classifying, summarizing, and then finally preparation of financial statement, which is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet from the trial balance which is prepared. So this is what the subject matter of accounting. Another important point what we have seen there, that it is to be reliable. So anything that is covered there in accounting, which has to be it has to be reliable and can be understood. So this is the definition part that we covered yesterday. Now, objective of accounting. So here we are going to, we have seen, why do we prepare? We got an answer to good number of questions, which are why do we prepare accounting? So this was primarily focused upon determining profit or loss and financial position, which comprises of nothing but balance sheet, which has assets and liabilities. So this is what we have seen in objective of accounting. Then functions of accounting, maintaining records. So we have seen that the function which touches upon the working of accounting, and that is maintaining records, then final account preparation, etc., that we have seen yesterday in functions of accounting. Advantages of accounting, which is assistance to management, because management majorly relies upon the accounting information for its decision, which are crucial for the organization. So it is important that it provides the needed information to the management. And another important thing what we have seen, it replaces memory, because nothing is required to be kept in mind while everything gets recorded. Now, limitation of accounting. Now, this is also we dealt with at length in our previous class. Not fully exact. So this is what we have seen, that many a times we do not happen to get the exact information in accounting. However, it serves many purposes, but there are certain limitations. One of them is it is not fully exact. Unrealistic information. So many a times we see that the informations do not happen to appear real. Say for example, depreciation, so which is charged every year, and with 10% depreciation, the asset value will keep on decreasing as year passes by, but its market value may be different. So we do not record that. Sometimes we happen to see, or there are certain things which appear to be unrealistic. Role of accounting in business. Now we have also seen at length systematic record, the way we maintain the records, assistance to management, etc., what we covered in role of accounting in business. Then accounting process, it is we have seen the chart yesterday. So it was recording, then classifying, summarizing. Recording is nothing but inputting them into journal, then classifying is nothing but posting them into ledger. Summarizing is putting them into closing the balances and preparing the trial balance, and from trial balance trading account and profit and loss account. So trading account gives us information related to gross profit of the organization, and profit and loss account gives us information with regard to the net profit. So this is what we see when it comes to accounting processes. And finally, the analysis and interpretation of the results, and this gets communicated to the set of people who are needed, be it internal or be it external. Branches of accounting, yes. So we have seen cost accounting, which emphasizes largely upon the costing aspect of production in case of an organization which is into production. So what is the cost of production? So we discussed that in cost accountancy. For example, a particular product passes through 10 processes. So what is the cost of production of a single process or a particular unit in that particular process? It goes to this extent. Financial accounting, which is nothing but we will be seeing in detail, and this is trading account and profit and loss account and balance sheet, which gives us information with regard to the financial health of the organization. And management accounting is furthermore deeper in terms of ratio analysis, analytical accounting information that is provided to the people who are at the analysis level. So these are the branches, and each of these branches have their specific role and purpose, which accordingly provides to the management or the people who are interested in it. Then bookkeeping, accounting we saw, and accountancy. So bookkeeping is nothing but we have seen this circle, which is the starting point. So bookkeeping, then there is accounting, which is so recording is bookkeeping, and then rest of the process, which is classifying, summarizing, is the accounting, which is the subsequent processes in accounting. And then this whole principle or the guidelines or tutorials or teaching with regard to the way bookkeeping can be maintained, or with regard to the way accountancy can be maintained, accounting can be maintained, is given in the accountancy. So whole process completely talks about accountancy. Then we have seen users of accounting information. So types of accounting information, their characteristics, which is very important. They have to be reliable, easy to understand, and serves the purpose of decision making. So we have seen accounting information, their types and their characteristics. Users of accounting information, who happens to be the user, as we discussed yesterday, internal and external user. Internal users may be management or people who requires minute information. They are provided, they are the internal users in order to take decision, whereas external users may be the tax authority, or there may be the people who are investors. They would like to know, or they may be having interest in understanding how is the financial health of the organization. So investors. Then we may also see the people who are those who are interested in understanding about the accounting information, lenders. So we have seen all these people and why they are interested. Lenders are the people who happen to lend money to the organization. So it is important that they happen to see not only 1 year but previous few years of accounting information to understand the growth, if at all the company is having, and its sustainability, how long it is going to continue, basis which the lending terms are determined. So these were the points what we saw yesterday, and I believe all of you may have understood it. Now I am giving you few questions for all of you to work upon and mention in the comment section below. So these are the questions which I would like you to answer. Bookkeeping and accounting are synonymous terms. Is it true or false? You can answer in the comment. Dash are the basis of recording financial transactions in the books of account. That is, what is the basis of recording financial transactions? Balance sheet is a statement of what and what. Cost of goods manufactured is determined by which branch of accounting? Qualitative characteristics of accounting is reliability, relevance, true, is it true or false? So what is the qualitative characteristics of accounting? Though it records the financial transactions in its book, but correspondingly it has to have reliability or relevance. Is it correct or true or false? So these are the points what we discussed yesterday, and I believe you must have understood it. Now we will be touching upon the next chapter tomorrow. I'll give you the highlights. Basic accounting terms. So these are the terms. There are various terms, though few of the terms you must have also heard while we were discussing the first chapter, but we will understand them in greater detail and try to cover that. So thank you very much for listening to me, and I truly believe that you are gaining through this discussion, and I would expect you to share your comment for the questions that we have seen here. I have given you these 5 questions with your answer. It would be great sense of satisfaction if you happen to do that. Alongside, also subscribe to this channel so that more and more videos which I am going to record and share, you will get the notification. Thank you so very much.